Hey everyone! Today we're making a quick and easy flavor-packed chicken and vegetable stir-fry. It's a perfect weeknight meal full of fresh ingredients and bold flavors. You can pause the video and check the ingredients. Sesame oil and hoisin sauce are optional, just like the most of the ingredients. We'll cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and marinate them in soy sauce. Then we finely chop ginger and garlic. Instead of finely chopping the onions, we're cutting them into larger, square-shaped pieces. Then we'll chop our vegetables into bite-sized pieces. For the broccoli and cauliflower, we'll cut them into florets. While some folks like the veggies finely chopped, we've chosen to keep them a bit chunkier. This way they stay crisp, tender, and full of flavor. Cabbage goes next. After the cabbage, we add fry-shaped carrots, which will add a nice crunch to the dish. We'll start by heating some oil in a large skillet. Then we'll add the ginger and garlic, sautéing them for a few seconds to release their aroma. Next, we'll add the onions and cook until they soften. Now it's time for marinated chicken, along with sesame oil and hoisin sauce. We'll stir-fry the chicken until it's browned and fully cooked. Time to add salt and black pepper if needed. Once the chicken is cooked, we'll remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now to our veggies. We'll put some oil in the pan and add the carrots, cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. We'll stir-fry them until they're crisp tender. Then we'll add the bell pepper and cook for a few more minutes. Finally, we'll return the cooked chicken to the pan. We'll toss everything together until it's well combined and heated through. And there you have it. Serve it hot with your favorite rice or noodles. Enjoy! Let's try. Chicken doesn't need lots of time to cook. Till next time, friends.